Okay, this is one of the hand-fed girls. This is after like 5 minutes chasing her down because they haven't been handled that much. But as you can see, they do step up and they do settle after a while. And if it was, especially if it was an only bird, they would calm down very quickly.
Step up.
She's on me, yeah.
She's on Mama. Up. Up.
They always want Mama.
Up. Good baby. Yeah, baby.
That's kind of typical.
Oh, sweetie. Up. That's a good girl.
But they step right up.
That's a good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Very good girl.
Okay, this is the other female. Regular normal blue. Up. Just clipped her again so she's a little less flighty, but it still requires 5 or 10 minutes of chasing her down. But she does step up nice. Up. Up. And once they've had that 5 minutes of craziness, they're not bad at all.
Isn't that mostly because they're in with another bird?
Well, she's in with her sister, and also she hasn't been handled a lot lately. So considering that, they're actually pretty good.
For a parakeet.
Yeah. Well, they're definitely preferable to unhand-fed. Hi. Up. See if I can get her sister too. Pause that for a minute. Okay, that's the two sisters. Let's see if we can get them to up, turn. You see the front of them. They're very pretty birds. Up. Up. Good girl. So they're not bad.
Cool.
Not bad at all. Okay. These are going to the bird show. And there's another sister also, a third sister. Actually, we'll grab her in a minute. And these are going to the bird show on October 14th in Manchester at Old Dogs Gym. And they will be for sale there. Okay. Alright, this is the third female. To clip her, she was flying really good, dusting the tops of the ceilings.
What's the matter? Are you rice boy? Yeah.
Take a good look at her feathers.
She's pretty.
She's just pretty. There you go. Yeah, she's very pretty. Alright, so she's the same as the others. They calm down, whoop, and sometimes they don't.
It's only been 4 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, sweetie. Oh, it's okay. Yes, good. Yeah, good. What?
So anyhow, they'll be at the bird show.